We are so excited that you are interested in taking the Career Safety Education program. Here are all the steps that you will need.
At the top of the page, you will see red buttons. Click on Students and Youth. You'll be brought to the Youth section. Read through the information. When you are ready to register for Career Safety Education, complete the registration fields at the bottom of the Youth section. Under the Industry-Focused Orientation section, you can choose one course, whichever industry interests you. There is an opt-in box, which provides consent for you to receive our emails. We do not sell or share your information, and you can opt out at any time. Click the box to confirm you are not a robot. You will be brought to the Career Safety Education individual registration page. The 6 steps for completing Career Safety Education is listed. The steps are easy to remember. As you complete each course, send a screenshot, picture, or PDF of your completion certificate. Your next step will be sent by email. This information has also been sent to you by email. You will begin by completing Young Workers Readiness Certificate course. Click the link to access the course. There is a downloadable guide to assist you if you need. After clicking the link, you will be brought to the Young Workers Readiness Certificate course webpage. Scroll through the page and read the information. Click the red button that corresponds with your internet bandwidth. High bandwidth is recommended. This will open the launch page of the Young Workers Readiness Certificate course. Click the red arrow that says Start Here to begin the course. And that's all there is to it. If you are unsure of the next step at any point, you can refer back to the email you received. It contains all the steps regarding career safety education.